Imagine a world where juicy, delicious meat is grown in gleaming, high-tech facilities without harming a single animal. This isn't science fiction, it's a rapidly approaching reality thanks to the groundbreaking advancements in food technology. Picture dining on a succulent steak, knowing that its production didn't contribute to deforestation or greenhouse gas emissions. Every bite you take is a step towards a more sustainable and ethical world. This is the promise of lab-grown meat, a revolutionary technology poised to transform the future of food. By cultivating meat directly from animal cells, we can create real meat without the need for traditional farming. Our current food system is unsustainable, straining under the pressure of a growing global population and increasing demand for resource-intensive products like meat. The environmental footprint of conventional meat production is enormous. Traditional animal agriculture is a major contributor to climate change, deforestation, and water pollution. The impact on our planet's ecosystems is devastating and far-reaching. It is also plagued by ethical concerns regarding animal welfare. The conditions in which many animals are raised are often inhumane and distressing. The future of food demands innovation, a shift towards sustainable practices that can nourish our planet and its people. Vertical farming and other innovative methods are paving the way for a greener future. This is where lab-grown meat, along with other groundbreaking food technologies, steps onto the plate, offering a tantalizing glimpse into a future where delicious and ethical food choices are abundant and accessible to all. Imagine a world where the food we eat is not only tasty but also kind to the planet. The journey toward a sustainable food future is paved with both exciting possibilities and complex challenges. It requires collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to change. Join us as we delve into the world of lab-grown meat and explore the potential of this transformative technology to reshape our relationship with food and redefine the future of our plates. Together we can create a world where our food choices reflect our values and our vision for a sustainable future. The global population is projected to reach a staggering 9.7 billion by 2050. This rapid increase in population will put immense pressure on our already strained resources, especially our food systems. This exponential growth places an unprecedented demand on our food production systems. We are faced with the daunting task of scaling up food production to meet the needs of billions more people. We need to produce more food in the next few decades than we have in the entire history of humanity. This means not only increasing the quantity of food, but also ensuring its quality and nutritional value. This challenge is compounded by the fact that our current agricultural practices are unsustainable and environmentally destructive. Soil degradation, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity are just a few of the critical issues we face. Traditional animal agriculture is a significant contributor to climate change. The methane emissions from livestock, particularly cattle, are a major concern. Livestock farming generates nearly 15% of all human-caused greenhouse gas emissions. This is a staggering figure that highlights the urgent need for change. This is more than the entire global transportation sector combined. The environmental footprint of our food system is immense and unsustainable. Furthermore, raising animals for food requires vast amounts of land, water, and energy. These resources are becoming increasingly scarce and need to be managed more efficiently. Deforestation for pasture land and feed production is a leading cause of habitat loss and biodiversity decline. The impact on wildlife and natural ecosystems is devastating. The immense amount of water required to grow crops for animal feed and to sustain livestock is depleting our freshwater resources. This is a critical issue as water scarcity becomes more prevalent. The environmental impact of our current food system is simply not sustainable if we want to feed a growing population and preserve the planet for future generations. We must rethink our approach to food production. The way we produce and consume food needs a radical transformation. Innovative agricultural practices and technologies are essential to create a sustainable future. We need to find innovative solutions that can provide nutritious and delicious food while minimizing our environmental impact. This includes exploring alternative protein sources and sustainable farming methods. This is where the exciting field of cellular agriculture comes into play, offering a glimpse into a future where meat production is decoupled from traditional animal agriculture. By embracing these advancements, we can hope to build a more sustainable and resilient food system for generations to come. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat or cellular agriculture, is at the forefront of this food revolution. This innovative technology allows us to produce genuine animal protein directly from animal cells, eliminating the need to raise and slaughter animals for food. Imagine a world where we can enjoy the taste and nutritional value of meat without the ethical and environmental baggage associated with conventional animal agriculture. The process of creating lab-grown meat begins by taking a small, harmless sample of cells from an animal, such as a cow, pig, or chicken. These cells are then placed in a nutrient-rich culture medium that encourages cell growth and proliferation. The cells multiply and differentiate just as they would within an animal's body, eventually forming muscle tissue that can be harvested and processed into various meat products. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to revolutionize the food industry and transform our relationship with meat. By decoupling meat production from traditional animal agriculture, we can significantly reduce the environmental impact of meat consumption, improve animal welfare, and enhance food security for a growing global population. The science behind lab-grown meat is both fascinating and complex, involving principles of cellular biology, tissue engineering, and bioreactor technology. This innovative approach aims to revolutionize the way we produce and consume meat, offering a sustainable and ethical alternative to traditional livestock farming. The process begins with the extraction of a small sample of cells, typically muscle stem cells, from a living animal. These cells are chosen for their ability to proliferate and differentiate into muscle tissue, which is the primary component of meat. This procedure is minimally invasive and causes no harm to the animal. The animal remains healthy and continues its life without any significant impact, making this method far more humane than conventional meat production. Once extracted, these cells are placed in a sterile environment, known as a cell culture, where they are provided with all the necessary nutrients, growth factors, and oxygen to thrive and multiply. This controlled setting ensures optimal conditions for cell growth. The cells are immersed in a nutrient-rich liquid medium that mimics the conditions found within an animal's body, allowing the cells to grow and divide rapidly. This medium is carefully formulated to support the cell's metabolic needs and promote healthy growth. As the cells multiply, they are transferred to larger and more sophisticated bioreactors. These bioreactors are designed to scale up the production process, accommodating the increasing volume of cells. These vessels provide a controlled environment that optimizes cell growth and differentiation. Advanced monitoring systems ensure that the conditions within the bioreactors are precisely maintained. The bioreactors are carefully monitored for temperature, pH, oxygen levels, and nutrient supply to ensure the cells are thriving and differentiating into the desired cell types, such as muscle fibers. This meticulous control is crucial for producing high-quality lab-grown meat. Over time, the cells within the bioreactor form a three-dimensional structure resembling muscle tissue. This tissue development is a key step in creating meat that closely mimics the texture and appearance of traditional meat. This tissue can be harvested, processed, and shaped into various meat products, such as burgers, sausages, or nuggets. The versatility of lab-grown meat allows for a wide range of culinary applications. The final product is real meat, with the same taste, texture, and nutritional profile as conventionally produced meat, but without the environmental burden or ethical concerns. This breakthrough has the potential to transform the food industry and contribute to a more sustainable future.